Where are you going?
I'm going to pick up some watches.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
To Sarajevo, to some guy from Iran, from Tehran.
Oh.
Yeah, I taught him how to buy watches, and he brought 3 old SEIKO chronographs for me, and I'm going to pick them up.
Okay,
Do you
and
have some more questions?
no questions. I just want to show you.
Show me the road. Show them the road.
Yep.
So they can see what I'm struggling with.
People been complaining to me, no road trips. Here are road trips. It's very early. It's 6:20. We started our road trip at 6. Yeah.
Yeah, around 6.
Okay, this is a nice canyon.
Yeah, these are Bosnian roads.
But
Look at this. I don't know if you see what I see.
yeah,
But it's so cool.
it's bigger in person.
That's what guys say.
But it's always bigger in person.
Even if it's not.
It's magnificent in person.
Yeah. And because it's wet and cold, it shrinked.
Yeah, it shrinked because it's a bit
Wet
cold.
and cold. Yeah. And I was
Just please speak a bit louder because
I was negotiating with this guy for like 2 months for sports, and I managed to get 3 vintage SEIKOs from him. It's Kakume, John Player Special, and really a star UFO, but special kind of UFO with 70 meters water resistance, and they should be cool, and it's
Can you
decent price.
can you swim with a watch if it's 70-meter water resistance?
Maybe if you keep your hand up.
Yep.
But I wouldn't swim with any vintage watch. There's no point. Maybe with some Rolex if it's serviced and everything else, but I don't think there's a point.
Okay, I was just trolling you, but
I know.
okay. Can you hit the wipers? Hit the wipers. Yep. Okay. So yeah, that's it. We started on a road trip. I'm not gonna show you
And
me.
we are going to buy me some wheels for this
Yeah.
car.
We are going to get first. We're going to get some rims,
Yeah.
and after that we are going to Sarajevo to pick watches. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you me because I look nice and wonderful as always. So instead of me, enjoy some of these footage, and we'll get back to you later. Take a look at that handsome face, huh? What's on your wrist?
Just a second. It's Omega reduced Speedmaster automatic reduced.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty cool watch.
Yeah. That's not what you said in your last video.
Today it's cool.
I published your video
Today it's cool.
last night. Wearing my IWC standard. So yeah, we are still on the road trip. This handsome hunk is driving me, and if something interesting happens, we will report to you. But yeah. I said.
Ta-da!
So you got something, huh?
I got a ticket from the police. Penalty. How do you say it? It's not.
You got a
It's not
ticket.
funny.
It's not funny.
It's
Well,
not funny, but it's not expensive. So
so
I don't know.
what were you doing?
I was using my phone and driving.
Yeah.
And you're not supposed to do
Are
that.
you gonna do it again?
Not ever again, but ask me in like an hour again.
I wish I had a phone now to call him, so just to check it.
Not funny. Not funny.
Anyway, guys, so yeah, it's 8 o'clock now, so we are almost there to pick up the rims and hopefully we'll grab something to eat or to drink coffee. Or
Not looking right.
not looking bright. You spend all your money on a police.
Yeah, so guess who's gonna buy food and coffee? The guy next to me. I'm not gonna say his name, but I think he will recognize himself and remember this.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So yeah, see ya.
Life goes on.
I said.
Ta-da!
Okay, we are having coffee right now. We'll break. We picked the rims, and now we're having coffee, and we'll be soon back on our road. So, cheers, guys.